Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to part 2 check-in day here at Disney's Polynesian Resort, staying at a bungalow on the water. And it's literally on the water, because look. Here's the room. There's the water. It's just so massive. So I was gonna do a full check-in day video with things I was doing around the resort plus the room tour. I just recorded a little bit more than I thought I was gonna record on check-in day. So part 2 will be a check-in day and room tour of Disney's Polynesian Resort Bungalow on the water. So let's head inside. And when I say this room is massive, it is massive. It's like a house. It sleeps 9 people, 2 rooms, and a full kitchen, a full living room. It's just amazing. And wait till you see what's on the deck. Like on the deck, there's a lot. So without further ado, let's head inside the bungalow on the water at Disney's Polynesian Resort. Scan your magic band right here. Very, very secluded from the rest of the Polynesian. And then as you walk closer to the bungalow, there is Space Mountain and Tron. Wow. Look at this space though, just going into the bungalow. As we come up to the door, we have a nice little stool over here to sit on. Just wow. Magic band to Mickey. Super fancy. And just in here is a master bedroom. Lots and lots of storage space. Nice little desk where I can set my computer. This leads on to a balcony here. Look at this. Wow. Bungalow on the water. Oh my goodness. Look at this bathroom too. I totally get Treehouse Villas vibes from this. There's a bathroom behind a door. You got a nice tub. I don't see, oh, they do have some jets. Super nice shower. Actually, oh, very, very spacious. Oh, it's a top shower head. Cool. Very nice. And then this is a digital light. Whoa. So then you can have bath light. And then it goes above the bath. Very fancy. There's a shower light too? Holy cow. So a digital light display. Very cool. Got extra pillows. Nice spacious closet with also some extra storage. Very, very nice and very spacious. Oop. Oh yeah. So wait, I leave you alone for 2 seconds, and what did you find? A TV in the...
The mirror is a TV.
What?
I was like, why is this remote here?
Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of the tour. Let's look at the master bedroom first, shall we?
Safety smarts!
It looks like they give you some complimentary umbrellas too, which is nice. And here is a regular bedroom, not master. Very big TV. And this actually pulls out to a bed right here. Look at that. This sleeps up to 9. The outlets have USB too, which is great. Lots of storage space. Let's see what the closets look like. Oh yes. Very, very spacious bungalow. Wow. And in here we have another bathroom. Some more storage space. Extra pillows. Here's the bathroom. They give you some extra towels, which is nice. And then here is your shower. Very cool. Just look at the size of this hallway too, leading into the kitchen and the living room. Alright, heading into the living room and the kitchen, look at this. Large TV. You got a Mickey style Alexa in here. Lots of storage space, drawers. And this pulls out to a bed as well. Got a couch here. Look at this kitchen, a huge table. You got a Keurig, a regular coffee maker. That is awesome. They even give you K-cups here. That is cool. Got your dishwashing needs as well. Paper towel, microwave, a full oven and stove. And then you got your silverware, toaster as well. Spatulas, hand towels, tongs, pots and pans. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that drain board for your dishes. They give you everything. Dishwasher, wow. All your cups. A drainer for the pasta and anything you guys make. If you guys want to cook in here while you stay, you got it made. Some plates. Wine glasses. Okay, there is a thing for ice, so I have to find out where to get it. Wow. Just look at the size of this table though. And look how big this fridge is too. No, the waters were not complimentary. So they tells you the temperature of the fridge right here. And a drawer in the fridge and your freezer. Very, very big fridge here. Like very big. I just can't get over how big the kitchen table is in here. Like, it's very spacious. Oh, and then also too, I forgot to mention, underneath the TV here, this also opens up to a bed. And it looks like they even... Is this a DVD player? I cannot tell. Let's go outside, shall we? As soon as you get onto the deck, they have these two awesome chairs. By the way, over there, that is TTC. And then look at this. Like, wow. Lily an amazing view of Cinderella Castle from the room at the bungalow. And Space Mountain. Nice little table here on the deck, and this is what I can't get over. That's right. There is a pool on our deck. So you could just sit in this pool and take an awesome look at Cinderella Castle. Imagine watching the fireworks from this pool. That is incredible. What a room. Honestly, what a room. Okay, so a couple years back I stayed at the bungalow and I absolutely loved it. This is just exactly how I remember it. A year or two ago, I forget when exactly, I stayed at the Treehouse Villas. Loved it. This type of room, very similar. I don't know what I like better. Both have what they need and it's just makes the room complete. And I really like the bungalows a lot. Like they're beautiful. Look at this. And everything that they offer on the deck here. And look at this. Here comes the ferry from Magic Kingdom. Insane. Going to TTC, which is right there. Wow. Here's what the living room looks like with the light on. Just awesome. I'm sorry. Is our pool changing colors? Wow. And also too, here where the second bathroom is, there is a full dryer and washer. Amazing. Wow, isn't this room absolutely beautiful? The bungalow on the water at the Polynesian, it's massive. It kind of reminds me of just like a mini house, sleeps up to 9 people. Kitchen's huge, the bedrooms are huge, and just again, one more look. Just look at the deck. It's just unbelievable. The fact that there is a pool, a mini pool on your deck, it's just awesome. Like, really awesome. You could come just sit on the chairs, relax and chill. It's just so cool. So yeah, I absolutely love the bungalows on the water at Disney's Polynesian Resort. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the Treehouse Villas at Saratoga Springs. I mean, they're both great to what they need. Like, this is great for, like, being obviously right next to Magic Kingdom, where Treehouse Villas, you have to take a bus from the tree houses to get to the actual bus station to get to the park. So it's a little bit harder to get to the theme parks. But I really like the Treehouse Villas a lot. This kind of reminds me a little bit of that, of the style. But wow, Disney's Polynesian Resort bungalows on the water. If you guys have the chance to do this, highly recommend it. Oh, it's just simply amazing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour of the bungalow on the water at Disney's Polynesian Resort. If you guys are new here, please hit subscribe. Ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. I will see you guys in the next one.